Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to explain what Cash App Green Status is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth getting. If you've seen people talking about Green Status and are confused about what it does, stick around. I'll break it down simply. Alright, let's get into it. First, what exactly is Cash App Green Status? Think of it as Cash App's way of rewarding users who are more active on the app. It's not a paid subscription, and there's nothing you need to sign up for manually. Green status is something you automatically qualify for once you reach certain activity levels. So how do you get it? To earn green status for the month, you need to meet one of these two requirements. You either spend around $500 using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or you receive at least $300 in qualifying deposits. Once you hit one of those, Cash App upgrades your account to green status for the rest of the month. Now let's talk about what you actually get with green status. Users who have it report a few solid benefits, like higher interest rates on Cash App savings, better borrowing limits, and higher overdraft protection. If you use Cash App for daily spending or rely on features like Cash App Borrow, these upgrades can definitely make a difference. But here's the important part. Green status is only really worth it if you already use Cash App a lot. If you naturally spend around $500 a month or already receive $300 or more in deposits, then green status is basically a free bonus. You're qualifying without trying. On the other hand, if you rarely use Cash App or don't come close to those numbers, there's no reason to force it. The perks are nice, but they're not big enough to change your spending habits just to qualify. So, should you get Cash App Green Status? If Cash App is already part of your daily routine, Green Status is an easy way to unlock extra benefits with no extra effort. But if you're more of a casual user, your regular account already does everything you need, and that's totally fine. And that's it. Now you know exactly how Cash App Green Status works and whether it makes sense for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.